Kumusta mga kaboxing? This is Boy Kalawang TV. So kahapon nga po mga idol, i-share ni Silver Boys ang video ng panayam ni MP President Mr. Sean Gibbons sa mismong social media account nito. Kung ano ang masasabi nito sa karera ngayon ng kanyang dating boxer na si former 3 Division World Champion John Riel Cuadro Alas Casimero matapos matalo ito kay Kinosuke Kameda noong October 25 sa bansang Kyrgyzstan. At sa video na yan mga idol nang naging panayam ni MP President Mr. Sean Gibbons, sinabi nito na makikita daw natin na wala na sa kondisyon ang pangangatawan ni Cuadro Alas John Riel Casimero buhat nung umalis ito sa poder ng MP Promotion. At nakinig daw ito sa payo ng mga masasamang tao sa kanyang paligid, katulad daw niyang kanyang kapatid na si Jason Casimero na nagsisilbing head coach nito ngayon at ng dating catman nito na si Stephen Lunas. At talagang nangihinayang po daw si MP President Mr. Sean Gibbons sa matagal na pinagsamahan nila ni former 3 Division World Champion John Riel Cuadro Alas Casimero ng mahigit 10 taon mula nang makuha nito ang pagiging 3 Division World Champion sa boxing. At naalala pa daw mga idol ni MP President Mr. Sean Gibbons noong nagtatravel pa silang dalawa sa buong mundo. At kung gugustuhin po daw ni John Riel Casimero mga idol na bumalik sa MP Promotion ay tatanggapin daw niya ito dahil naniniwala siya na si Casimero lang ang posibleng makatalo dito kay undisputed world super bantamweight champion na Oya the Monster Inoue maliban kay former 4 Division World Champion Nonito Donaire noong unang naglaban sila ng hapon. Kaya payo daw ni MP President Mr. Sean Gibbons kay John Riel Casimero na gamitin na daw nito ang pagkakataon at bumalik na sa MP Promotion dahil sa estado daw ngayon ni Cuadro Alas ay hindi na daw ito pabata dahil may edad na po daw ito sa kasalukuyan ngayon na 36 years old at sa susunod na taon sa buwan ng February ay magiging 37 years old na daw ito. At yun lang po daw ang maitutuloy ni MP President Mr. Sean Gibbons sa paglubog ng karera ngayon sa boxing ni John Riel Casimero.
Thoughts about the recent fight of John Riel Casimero?
You know, it looked like he showed up not in shape. I feel bad for him because John Riel Casimero wasn't a bad guy. They got bad advice from his brother, bad advice from a guy named Stephen Lunas, and I really would have loved. I mean, we had 10 years together. We won 3 different weight divisions. We traveled the world. I would have loved to seen it come to fruition with him fighting Inoue. He's probably the only guy outside of Donaire the first time had a chance to beat Inoue.
Do you think he's still in the right circle, or what do you think is next for him at this age of his career?
Getting a job, unfortunately. I mean, it's over. I mean, that right there, that performance pretty much put the nail in the coffin.
Do you think it's a wrong move to, leave MP Promotions?
Which way? What do you mean?
For Casimero?
You know what? I see him, my man. Years ago, I went to him and tried to do something about 3-4 years ago. Yeah, the ship sailed now. I mean, there's nothing I can do. He's done it to himself. He's 36, 37. He'll be 37 in February. And it's just over. It's a shame.
At hanggang dito na lang po muna ang aking update sa mga ganapan sa mundo ng boxing. At syempre mga idol, huwag nyo rin pong kalimutan, pakisuportahan nyo naman po muna ang ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po at happy Halloween rin po sa inyo mga idol.